Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun activity for you to try out. It is the CD Hovercraft. All you need is a balloon, a recycled water bottle, an old CD, and some tape. All I did was cut the top of the water bottle off so that the part where the lid goes is at the top, and then taped it to a CD so that it's over the center hole there, so that when air goes through, it's forced to the bottom of the CD. Now we can't constantly force air down there, so we needed to collect some inside a balloon. Now all you need to do is air up the balloon, twist it a little bit, and then stretch it over the end of the hovercraft. And as soon as you have it ready to go, you're gonna undo the balloon so that the air can be forced through, and then the air will go down underneath the CD and it'll lift it up and it'll glide across the table, just like this. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.